Hi, to fix can't make or receive calls on Google Pixel Watch free, just press your crown first to open list of apps, and here scroll a bit down and find settings. Now we will need to scroll a bit up and find apps and notifications. Go in the not disturb and make sure that this mode is turned off so you can see the status off. After that, go back in apps and notifications settings. Choose notifications and you can here tap to show disabled apps. And if you can see some necessary apps in this list here, such as phone or messages, then enable notifications. For that, you can also go in Show All and find those apps from here. For example, Messages. Tap it and make sure to see status on so notifications are enabled for this app. Now, the next thing we can do is to check synchronization. Go back to your watch face, swipe down, and tap this little phone icon like that. And make sure to see status connected to the name of your phone. And then we can also open settings on the phone, scroll a bit down, choose battery, go in battery saver, and make sure it is disabled. As you can see, mine is turned on because the switcher is yellow. So to turn it off, I need to simply tap on it and it will become gray. And the last thing we can do to fix this problem is to restart the watch. For that, press and hold this button and this crown at the same time till you can see Google logo appears on the screen. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.